This is Storytime, Dream Ellison. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Today's book is Rainforest Animals by Jill McDonald. Lace up your boots. Put on your backpack. We're going for a walk through the rainforest. Rainforests are warm and wet places full of tall trees, beautiful plants, and amazing animals. Here's a gorilla family. Gorillas are big and furry and have very long arms. They eat fruit, bark, leaves, and sometimes bugs. Let's climb a tall rainforest tree. Croak. What's that sound? It's a red-eyed tree frog. Frogs lay eggs and tadpoles hatch from them. Tadpoles then become baby frogs. At the tip top now, whose blue wings do you see fluttering? It's a blue morpho butterfly, one of the largest butterflies in the world. The other side of its wings is brown, which helps it hide when the wings are closed. The rainforest is home to so many special animals and plants. This concludes our story. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. To find out more about our segment sponsor, Dream Ellison, and purchase products shown here, you can visit their website at www.dreamellison.com.